Now we are on the same page, page 21, for instance drill number 10. Again, in this question, you are asked to evaluate each of the following. So we are going to find the value of the answer. Part A, we see decimals. Positive 1.3 minus negative 3.7 plus positive 4.5. So let's remove the bracket one by one. The first one, as long as there is no symbol at the front, we can remove this bracket easily by simply copying it down. You can omit the positive sign, but if you wish, you can always keep it. And then the next bracket, we see negative with a negative. So to remove this bracket, we are using this rule. What's left will be, it becomes positive now, positive 3.7. And the next bracket, positive with positive. So this one is easy. We are using this rule. And that's why what we have got is a positive of 4.5. So now the questions after removing brackets becomes 1.3 plus 3.7 plus 4.5. So the answer is then 9.5. Now let's go on to part B. Part B, we see fractions. Negative 3 plus negative 2 over 5 minus negative 5 over 2. So let's remove the bracket one by one. For the first bracket, it's always easy. There is no symbol at the front. So I will copy a negative 3 down. Here, the negative sign cannot be skipped. You cannot omit this negative sign. For the second bracket, we see negative sign and a positive sign. So the rules that we are applying to remove the bracket should be this one, which give us negative of 2 over 5. Lastly, we see negative with negative. So the rules, these rules, will be used again. To this case, it becomes a positive of 5 over 2. So now the question is negative 3 minus 2 over 5 plus 5 over 2. So let's do it one by one. To deal with fractions, we need to get common denominators. So for an integer negative 3, I can't make its denominator as a 10. So it becomes a negative 30 over 10. For negative 2 over 5, I make its denominator as a 10, so it becomes 4 over 10. For the last one, I make the denominator be 10, so it's then a 25. So they share the same common denominator now. So what's left is negative 30 minus 4 plus 25. So the answer you shall see will be a negative of 9 over 10. So that's the answer.